So most traders actually fail, keep losing money streak, because they misunderstood one thing, which is the psychology. And today is gonna be like more about vigilance, the mindset, and I'm gonna like talk about these live examples that I took earlier. And yeah, let's get in. So there is a thing that people misunderstood most, which is like they think that psychology is about mindset only. No, it's not about like emotions and things, but it's when your money is on the line. Like when you see your money moving, like 500 on minus, you losing 5k, 10k, whatever. So when I talk about this to people and I say like, here's my strategy, here's the way you can trade it, here's the way you can see it, here's the way you can spot it, and here's like risky places like this one, and here's a lot of like opportunities, and you can ride the trend, you can make a lot of good money a day. I give the strategy, and there is like two kind of people. One who's gonna be like the most loser, like the biggest loser, gonna lose money, curse me on my back, slap me on my back, and like, yo, this motherfucker gave me a bad strategy, he's a liar, he's a scammer. And the other one who actually put it in work, put it in a simulator, understood the market, feel it, and keep, following some, con- being consistent with rules, having some like essential rules that you actually have in every day. You put some rules and just like, you know what, I'm not gonna enter any trade if this rules doesn't match. This is the first leg, second leg, boom, oh, hold on a second, this like below the EMA, I'm not gonna go long. And you put all the rules together, you look at the market, it was like, hold on. Whatever your strategy is, you might be like ICD trader, I hate ICD, fuck ICD. So, you might be one of the ICD traders, I don't care. There is TGR, one of the biggest traders in the market, right? He's kind of famous, got like 1.7 million, so GGR is actually an ICD trader with 65% win rate. He's doing good, better than people, right? So the strategy is not only about feelings and emotions. It's about like when your money is on the line. Whatever your strategy is, whether it's gonna make you like so fucking profitable, gonna make so good money from it, or gonna make you the biggest full margin trader who's gonna hate trading and call it a scam. No, that's a scam. Yeah, I know. Yeah, right. You're right. You're fucking right. So here's the thing. Let's say that I'm talking to you about psychology. You look at me in the eye, bro. The fuck is psychology? It's just like about mindset and losing. If I lose too much, I stop. No. So this is psychology. You see the more. Hold on. Hold the fuck on. Let me show you. So watch the chart. You see the market moving, right? Your feelings are like, oh, is it an entry? Should I enter here? Should I do this? Should I do this? So in here, you got like a good paper, like we got some rules, a lot of fucking rules, your essential rules for your strategy, whatever. Then you get back to the chart. Oh, am I gonna miss in the trade? Am I gonna miss in the trade? You should fucking enter, man. Right? This is what your brain tells you. You should fucking enter. You're gonna miss this trade. You enter this trade. The market reverse. You're fucked. You're fucking getting you're getting broke. You're fucking broke. Why? Because you're not following this fucking trades. You're not following these fucking essential rules that's gonna make you fucking profitable. So the problem is not about mindset or feelings. Like it's about like when your money is on the line. When you want to put money, you don't follow the rules. You don't follow the things. So when I show people my strategy, or people have their own strategies, and we talk about it, or we sit and like, I enter when this happens, and when this, and I enter when this happened. But why you lost this one? I don't know. Man, it's obviously this is your rules, right? So watch out. There was like a point of interest, break of structure, and then like a liquidity sweep and hyper liquidity. Something happened, just like the market reversed it, and you entered long while it was a short. But you entered too earlier, like 2 bars earlier before your signal board. So it's not about it's not about like your strategy. It's about the way you enter. Maybe you entered too earlier. Maybe you didn't wait for your confirmations, your continuation bar, like the equilibrium. And yeah, it's not about the feelings. It's about like the strategy, the rules, the essential rules. That's the psychology. That's the psychology we're talking about. And when you want to enter, forget about the money. Everybody want to win. Man, we're fucking trying to make money, right? But everybody want to win. But imagine this: you sit in front of the shop, you sit there, you watching the shop, the prices keeps moving, boom, 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 up, long, high lows, high lows, break the structure, point of interest, boom. Market reverses, that new extreme, boom, market reverses, right? You see the market, you sit there, hold on, why I should enter this one? You take a fucking rock, you hit your head. Oh, okay, here's the first entry long, pullback, second entry long, failure. Fails to the AMA, boom, I'm gonna enter shorts because that was, you're waiting. You're doing exactly as your rules told you. Follow the rules. Follow the fucking rules. Put a fucking paper, put it in front of fucking laptop and follow the fucking rules. This is how you're gonna be profitable. If you don't wanna lose fucking money, man, this is what you're gonna do. Rules. Put rules. Follow the fucking rules. So if you can see it, price actually failed to go below this strong support area and seems to be like a ranging area right here. So while now prices move it low, you can see this candle, like prices rejected to go lower and fell, then boom, prices go above the AMA, the 20 bar AMA, and go back again. So it was a retest to the strong support area. It was a second attempt to break lower, and prices actually failed again. And then, here's the thing: it's not about like when you see it fails, you're gonna see like price is gonna make like higher lows. So if if you watch it so closely, you're gonna see like this is a low, a higher low, a higher low. And yeah, I entered like thick above this bar, which is gonna be like a little bit risky, because we still having a doji earlier, but it was a dragonfly doji, which is gonna make it like way easier for you to spot it. So that was a second entry long coming off a failed second entry short, because there's a failed second entry short right here. It was like a second entry short, pullback, second entry short. It was the first entry short, sorry, pullback, second entry short, failure, and prices reversed it. It's failed on the strong support area, not the AMA, which often happens. And yeah, it was also a two-legged move to a failed break lower, which gives us a good ride to the nearest resistance. But yeah, it was a scalp. I only took a scalp. I didn't took two contracts today. I only took a scalp. So basically, right now prices were so easy to spot. This was obviously like a ranging box. It was a consolidating areas. So this was the third time prices failed break higher, and then, as you can see, this is like a good rejection. Another doji that like failed, and then prices closed lower right here. So when prices closed lower, I was sure that I got like a good scalp even until like the EMA. I'm gonna make a scalp to the EMA and that's it. And then I took like 4 points to the EMA, and yeah, that was a good scalp for me, and prices again reversed and get back right here to test higher. But this one, as you can see it, let me show it to you, there was a rejection and prices made like a first entry long, and it was a pullback. This is a pullback, and then like prices seems like to go lower, and I said like, okay, there's another scalp right here, and yeah, as you can see, another scalp. Prices still go lower, but yeah, that was a risky area. I went here for scalp only because, you know, it was kind of dangerous. When you see prices are like risky and you're sure from your entries and you're familiar with your entries, you can only enter for scalp. It's gonna be like easy for scalp. 4 ticks, some couple points maybe. It's gonna be like good, really good. So this trade is this not trade. So these like places like these, I want to talk about it, like especially when price is like actually in the middle of a ranging box and it started consolidating, like overlapping and making some small bars, and maybe like second entries, good second entries don't enter. First of all, it's in the middle of a ranging box. You don't know like if price is still going low, going high, testing the high or the low. You know nothing about it, and especially prices are not near the EMA, so my like pull back retested the EMA. There was a great second entry short in a lower time frame. It was a great second entry short. We can spot it even in the 3 minute. But we actually have to learn to spot it in the 5 minute, 2000 tick. I trade the tech shot. But here in the videos, I probably like always make the 5 minutes so you people can actually recognize it in your time frame. So as you can see, there was a second entry short right here, with a lot of dodges, but it was a second entry short, and prices go here for a good scalp. But yeah, it was kind of risky. I didn't enter this trade. So based on what I said earlier about this risky trade, you're gonna tell me like why you entered this one. Great. So as you can see, prices made a great like breakout pullback to the EMA and failed. So prices like here made the first leg, and there was like the second failed going higher because prices actually failed breaking like the EMA, and reacting tried to like go and retest the low again because prices were consolidating for a while. So right here there was like a great second entry short coming off like a breakout pullback to the EMA, and it was like a two-legged move. It was also like a two-legged move. As you can see, there was a great scalp, and you can hold it even to the support area. But I was satisfied with the scalp, and I was like, okay, 4 ticks, I'm good. 4 points, I'm good. I don't want to like risk it all. So this one was one of the greatest key like a day. It was like one of the greatest setups I took, and I'm gonna highlight it, talk about it. I'm not gonna talk about the wall scalps on the day. I'm gonna talk about this one because you should spot things like these and when to enter it and why and like how to see it. So basically, if you're focused like right here, let me hide this one. So where's, hold on, I'm sorry. Okay. So if you actually seen these prices made the first leg, there was a first entry long. Prices failed at the EMA and made like a second entry long on a strong support area, right? So you can see it. It's a strong support area. Prices like moved so quick on a good bar, but then I was like thinking like, hold on a second. It's gonna be like we're gonna have a retest. Maybe price is gonna fail on EMA again. Then prices immediately before reaching the EMA zone. Price immediately reversed, made another bar, and then failed break lower and making a higher lows. So you can see the higher lows right here. Hold on a second. You can see the higher lows. This is the higher low, and then I entered right here a take above, and prices took a great ride on an easy money scalp on this one. And then yeah, your runners were safe, and this is the entry that I entered with a runner. And then there was a second entry right here again, a second entry right here again, and prices keep consolidating. There was a second entry again, and yeah, that's how to enter it, and that's how to spot it. So as you can see, like prices made a higher lows and a higher lows and started making higher lows again. And this one like was a great support area. There was like another second entry, as you can see it. Boom, second entry. And yeah, all I want to say, like, the market doesn't destroy you. You destroy yourself. The traders destroys themselves. And the only solutions for this one is like to hold with your essential rules, to keep moving with like, with a stable mentality, like real tough, real discipline. This is where discipline shows. This is where you apply and applicate your discipline. It's obviously right here, like when you sit and keep watching for maybe hours, as you can see, like don't look at shot like these and you think all my days I like always trading. No, you can see the shot right here. I didn't enter for I guess 2 days. I was kind of curious, like what the fuck is happening with the prices were moving so volatile, and was like, okay, you know what, I'm not trading. So when you see prices moving like these, you just like sit, watch, and think. is there is any entry, like really entry that I want to enter. Forget about money. You're gonna make money if you made a good trade, a good setup. You're gonna make money. But imagine you only think about money. You're gonna jump with the trend. You're gonna lose money. But think to be a better trader. Think to be a good trader. Your goal right here is to build the success habit that's gonna execute that job. They're gonna make you feel like real better at trading. Be your best on your field, man. You fucking wake up every day and you're trying to be your best on your field, right? Like, hold on a second. Everyone want to make money, right? But you gotta watch the chart. I was like, forget about the money, forget about the money, forget about the laws, forget about everything, forget money, because when you think about money, your psychology start working in a bad way. So forget about money. You're gonna sit in front of the chart and you're gonna think, hold on, is there any entry? Is there any setup that I really feel I want to enter it, like really see it like a great second entry or whatever your strategy is, Eric? Is it a great strategy? Is it like an A plus setup? No. Kinda risky? Not mine. Kinda risky you're not familiar with? Let it go. The prices, you're not missing a trade, man. The price is gonna repeat the trade. If you've seen this one, you're gonna watch my trades and you're gonna see half of the trades are the same. Half the trades are the same. They're all the same. So what are you trying to follow? Why are you trying so bad to take that trade exactly? I've missed so many trades and I was okay. Like it's kind of risky. I'm gonna sit here and it's keep moving like a great monumental of I don't know, like great monumental. It's just like flying. I was like, oh man, it would be good money at 2 days on a runner. But yeah, it was risky. I'm not gonna risk it. I don't feel it. I don't see it. It's not my rules. It's gambling. I'm not a gambler. I'm a price action trader. So yeah, that was everything about trading on psychology, I guess. So the only thing left to say right now is if you can control your brain, control your thoughts, control your mind, you can be a profitable trader. If not, if you're still jumping with the trades, if you put like 30 minutes a day, 2 hours a day learning trading and think you're gonna be successful, you're fucking lying to yourself. If you think it's easy and you're gonna execute it within 6 months or whatever, you're fucking lying to yourself. You're gonna bust your ass, man. You're gonna sit there for hours, days, weeks, months, keep losing, year maybe. You're not comparing yourself to other genius people, but you're doing the work, you're moving, right? So you sit there and you're gonna build the success habit that's gonna make you profitable trader. That's your job right here, man. And that was today's episode, and it was like more about vigilance. And I hope it helps. And thank you guys for watching. I'm gonna move this one right here. So thank you guys for watching, and yeah, good luck. And if anybody like having a question, having something like to ask about, something about trading, second entry setup, I answer everyone. Just email me on kbrbolek@gmail.com or Bolek Trades. You're gonna find it all in the description. And yeah, I'm gonna answer everyone. If you have any trade that you wanna discuss, any setups that you took, some losses, you wanna know why you lost, you just text me. I do it for free. I don't charge people money. I don't need people's money. I don't have Telegram. I don't use those scamming shit. I do it for free. I just want to help people. I just want to see the majority making money, being financially free. My goal is to help people. So that was the video. And good luck, everyone. Thank you.